Jessie, what's that great big thing parked next to you? At least there's no one on my side. We are in Jessie, and we got free parking, like it's your birthday. They're not gonna charge us, like it's my birthday. Okay, I'm being weird now, sorry. I don't think I want my gloves on. Right, let's go and get this pasty to Clive. I should have checked the passenger door, make sure they've been smashed in by that big Volvo. I'm sure she's fine. Get out of here. It's a bit icy up here as well. Tell you what though, on the ice, it's like power steering. My goodness. Road glare. Awful. Ow! What's going on? I don't know what they're doing. So they've probably been smashing into each other perhaps. Plan not to do that. Out the way, peasants. Barrier will raise automatically, apparently. Oh yeah. Free parking. Should be free for Jessie anyway. Should be parking exempt. First gear sounds like a reverse gear, doesn't it? Let's get out of here. I gotta remember where Clive's workshop is. Look out, everybody. So fire alarm's gone off there. Hopefully it's not a fire, just a test. I'm gonna hope the pasties are gonna be okay. Now I'm pretty sure Clive said he was down here by Lloyd's Bank. Let's go down and have a look. Price Street, yeah, he said Price Street. I don't even know what he calls himself. We'll find him, we'll find him. He said something about the Gloster motor repairs, that looks like the sort of thing he'd call himself. Is that gonna be him? So this is where Clive works. But is he in there? He seems to have a rather large spider here. Hello! Well, I just had a nice cup of tea with Clive. And I'm just going to have a quick look at the cars that are in here today. So we've got this Mark 1 Golf up here. All in for bodywork, these. That's what Clive does. This one's being sanded down. It's going to take some cleaning in there, isn't it? Lovely little thing. This Mark III Capri, I think it's a Brooklands model. I should have asked Clive. He's in the spray booth now. This is going in soon to be painted up green again. It's a lot of sanding that's been going on. It's one of my least favourite jobs, doing all the sanding. Once again, that's going to take a lot of cleaning. We've got to be quick here because the radio's on, isn't it? But we've got a Spitfire on a spit. And apparently a lot of the panels you can't get for them. And they've had to be handmade. So this panel here, that's been made by Clive. The floor pans here, not those floor pans, these here, they've been made. The dash panel, that's been made. And Clive's put a strengthening bar in there to stop the body from flexing as well. Ooh. And there's the bonnet. Right, let's get out of here. That's nice. Clive just gave me these snap-on screwdrivers. I needed some new screwdrivers. Ideal. Happy Christmas to me. Thanks, Clive. I'm going to go over here because he's been doing a BMW 8 Series. I like these. I'd like to have a go in one. It's all frosty at the moment. But I just think they're a really nice looking car, those old 8 Series BMWs. I mean, it looks kind of sexy in the frost, doesn't it? Yeah, he's been doing the nose cone. I think they're a lovely looking car. I forgot to take the camera in with me, but I've just been to the pet shop. It's called Love to Pets. And it's outside, actually. It's opposite another bodywork place called the Polite Auto Body Shop. They do a lot of classic cars as well. Yes, I've got the pet food. I've seen Clive. I've eaten my pasty, which is very nice. Now it's time to go and get some food in for tomorrow because I'm cooking somebody dinner. Oh, the road glare is immensely awful. I should have brought my sunglasses with me. I am squinting. Wow. I mean, the sun's lovely, but my goodness, the glare of the road. Woo. Jesse's temperature. Done a few little stop-starts places and temperature's on normal. Heater's nice and warm. So the radiator muff's doing a good job. I've decided I'm gonna get my food from Morrison's because I've got a parcel to drop off at Morrison's. That bloke, I don't think you saw him, there's a bloke walking down the path there who's smiling at me, or smiling at Jessie anyway. So yeah, I'm going to go Morrison's and drop my parcel off, get some food and then go home. I think not what time it is actually. Only 2:30. So we'll get in there before the kids are kicked out, which is nice. And then we get to go and slide down my road again. Well, it might have defrosted by now with this sunshine. Not sure. There's an MGB. I think it's an MGB GT. Ravenswood Hill there. I bet that's very snowy and slippery. Nice place to go for a walk. Did it once, never again. Don't really do walking, especially uphill. Right, let's go over to the cyclist. He looked a bit scared then, didn't he? He heard Jessie roar. Well, here we are at Morrison's. I won't film my episode in Morrison's. Try not to smash this Hyundai up. There's a pole there. I don't want to clonk here. Well, still looks extremely icy on my road. Yes. Dangerous. I bet I still can't reverse on my driveway. Shall I have a go? I don't think we can do it. Nothing's changed. It's so icy still. No, I'll turn around and I'll drive on like I did before, I think. I literally skidded to a halt there. I'll have a go. It's like power steering. Let's try run up at him. Oh, she did it. She did it. We're on. We did it. We're on the drive, everybody. And you didn't fall off the dashboard. Amazing. Ha! Oh, I didn't expect that. I suppose it has thawed out quite a bit on the drive. Oh. Oh, the excitement. Actually got on the drive. That's good. Brilliant. Right, now I'll say once again, thanks for watching. Bye. Look at poor Jessie. Look how dirty she is, look. Oh, look at that. I can hardly see the Rover badge. Filth. Pure filth. Still got blooming frost on the boot.